In this video today I'm going to have a walkthrough and show you how to use the new Bartec TDR100 tread depth measuring tool with the Tech 600 TPMS tool. So to start the process, you select the tread depth inspection. You then select 4, 5 or 6 wheels. On this one we're doing 4. And then it brings up the screen which has all the readings on. The previous readings are from another job, so we'll get fresh ones in there as we start measuring. We'll now start to take some readings. So you start on the front passenger tyre. And you take 3 readings across your tyre. And then you go to your driver's front tyre. And you can hear the beeps. So it signals each reading that you've taken. Then you go to your driver's rear tyre. And then finally, you move on to your passenger rear tyre. And you can hear the beep after every reading. So you know the reading's been taken. And that's it. And then you can look and review the data. So now we're going to show you how to print the information to give your customer a report of all the 4 tyres tread depths. So once you've got your TPMS desktop on your computer, which is ready then to receive the file, you click send data, and then the desktop will pick up the data that you send. Here's one we sent previously. So that shows you all your readings on there, and then you just select print, send it to your printer, and then what will happen is your report will come out and you have a professional looking report to give to your customer. Now here's one we printed earlier. This one has other readings on as well, showing your tyre pressures and the TPMS system, but that just shows you what else you can do. But then the report for the tyres shows you all your readings. Tyres of 3mm are obviously on green, ones that are borderline will be orange, and ones that need replacing are on red.